మాకు హియరింగ్ ఎయిడ్ కావాలి, మాకు ఎవరికి కనిపించొద్దు నాకు హియరింగ్ ఎయిడ్ ఉన్నట్టు. సో there are two options in the custom range. Constantly if you have ear discharge, this hearing aid may not be the right fit for you. Hi, I'm Prerna Reddy. I'm the director of the Talk and Learn Rehabilitation Center, Hyderabad. So a lot of patients that come to us ask us, we want a hearing aid, but nobody should know I'm wearing a hearing aid. This is the most common thing that we hear from our patients. మాకు హియరింగ్ ఎయిడ్ కావాలి, మాకు ఎవరికి కనిపించొద్దు నాకు హియరింగ్ ఎయిడ్ ఉన్నట్టు. So there are two options in the custom range that goes inside ear. One is called the IIC, inside the canal. It goes completely inside the canal and you cannot see if the person is wearing a hearing aid or not. The second option is CIC, which goes inside the canal but you can see it from the canal. This one, and these are called custom hearing aids. These can be given to you only when we take your ear impression. Now that I'm telling you that I need your ear impression, if these small hearing aids have to fit inside your ear canal has to be of the good size that the hearing aid fits inside. So these hearing aids that we give you have some conditions to it when I give. One is your degree of hearing loss. It depends a lot on the degree of hearing loss whether I prescribe you these hearing aids or not. Second thing is the type of hearing loss. Suppose if you have a sensory neural hearing loss, that means if only your cochlea is affected, this kind of hearing aid may be more beneficial for you. But if I give it to you when you have a middle ear issues, suppose if you have middle ear infections, constantly you have perforation in the ear, and constantly if you have ear discharge, this hearing aid may not be the right fit for you. So if you want a custom device for your ear, come meet your audiologist, get your hearing tested, and if the audiologist tells you that it fits, that you can get a custom device. Otherwise, use other devices which can be seen outside. These are generally battery woven devices. So if you want a custom device and if you don't want the hearing aid to be seen, come to your audiologist, get your ears tested and decide whether you can get a custom device or not. Thank you.